Hi friends, in the earlier videos I have spoken about humility as the most crucial quality without which leadership is incomplete, and also about how a manager uses the power of transparency to shape the future of an employee during a performance appraisal process. Humility, transparency, trust, and credibility are very powerful qualities in leadership, and any good leader must possess these qualities. Now, I will be highlighting one more important quality, that is compassion. This quality goes beyond empathy. Compassion includes a willingness to act to support or relieve someone in distress. If I have to relate this quality to a medical profession, a compassionate doctor does not just diagnose and treat, but he or she listens deeply, acknowledges patient fears, and creates space for trust and dignity while providing care. Leadership with compassion not only transforms the employees but also gives life, particularly in the medical profession where doctors do not just act with their head but with their heart as well. In this video, I am going to talk about a real life story of medical leadership with human compassion that saved the life of a worker. Karan Singh Lama, a Nepali citizen aged more than 50 years, has been working in DFMC for almost 30 years in the factory in Dubai. He has been a very dedicated and disciplined worker, living in the shared accommodation provided by the company for all the workers. One day, he experienced chest discomfort after breakfast and attributed the pain to something minor and tried home remedies like many of us normally do in similar situations. When the discomfort persisted, he made a crucial decision to visit a doctor in Access Clinic situated in Dubai Investment Park, which is about 1 kilometer from his accommodation. Access Clinic is a part of the well-known Aster Healthcare, which has numerous clinics, hospitals, and pharmacies in UAE and other countries. When Karan Singh reached the clinic, many patients were waiting to meet with the doctor, and his turn came after waiting for 30 minutes since he was without an appointment. He then met and explained his position to Dr. Kashif Nasrat Khan, an eminent general physician with extensive experience. By this time, his chest pain had increased further, and the doctor paid complete attention to the explanation and the discomfort of this patient. When life is running smoothly and circumstances are favorable, most people appear composed, kind, and reasonable, and it is easy to demonstrate good behavior, maintain patience, and show empathy. However, in times of difficulty, crisis, or uncertainty, a person's true nature and core values are truly tested and revealed. This is true in any profession. True character is revealed in adversity. In the medical profession, the role of a doctor is often idealized as noble and compassionate. In routine situations like regular checkups, stable patients, or administrative tasks, most doctors demonstrate professionalism, empathy, and competence. However, it is during challenging circumstances that the true values, ethics, knowledge, experience, and emotional strength of the doctor are fully revealed. A doctor's degree certainly makes them qualified, but it is their action and behavior in adversity that reflect their true character and make them noble. Here, in the above case, Dr. Kashif was about to encounter a test of his life. When the patient was explaining the details, the doctor's eyes were seeing much more beyond his words, and his medical instincts and experience told him a different story. The doctor immediately decided to do an ECG by staying calm and masking his urgency. As the ECG machine traced its patterns, Dr. Kashif's worst fears were confirmed. This wasn't something minor at all. Karan Singh was very close to having a heart attack. Any other doctor would have told the patient to go and get admitted to a hospital. But this doctor was different. Without creating any panic, Dr. Kashif checked with the patient whether anybody else was accompanying him, but was told that all his colleagues were at the accommodation. The doctor told the patient to wait outside by giving him some tablets while he acted with urgency and compassion, and he stepped aside to make some calls. Within a few minutes, an ambulance was racing towards his clinic, but the doctor did not stop there. He personally accompanied the patient to the nearest hospital, that is NMC Hospital in Dubai Investment Park, which was just a few kilometers away, as all the other hospitals or Aster hospitals were at a long distance. Any other doctor would have taken the patient to Aster Hospital, which is a part of Access Clinic where Dr. Kashif was working. But this doctor, realizing the urgency, was moving fast to NMC Hospital, which was the closest to his clinic. While in the ambulance, the doctor was coordinating with the NMC Hospital's cardiac team, and the patient was lying on the stretcher inside the ambulance, unaware of what was happening around him. By the time they arrived at the hospital, everything was in place. No waiting, no bureaucratic hurdles. He was whisked straight away to the emergency, and after conducting some more tests, they took him to the operating theatre. Dr. Kashif briefed the doctors at the hospital and rushed back to his clinic to attend to his patients who were waiting for him. The skilled surgeons at the NMC hospital performed angioplasty, and the patient's blocked arteries were cleared. The patient was shifted to the ICU and was now breathing normally. The events unfolded so fast that Karan had no time to inform his colleagues in the accommodation about his operation, but he revealed the entire sequence later on. The next day, the concerned managers and I went to the hospital to inquire about Karan's welfare. All the doctors in NMC hospital were praising Dr. Kashif's role in bringing the patient to the hospital without any delay, due to which the operation was successful. What could have been a family's worst nightmare became a story of hope due to one doctor's unwavering commitment to his patient's life. Karan was a part of DFMC's family, and the doctor saving the life of one of our team members certainly deserves more than just an appreciation. It was not just medical expertise that made the difference that day. It was human compassion, presence of mind, empathy, and Dr. Kashif's commitment to go beyond the call of duty that made a big difference. The doctor became the reason for the patient to live longer. This doctor protected a life, ensured a future, and gave a family their loved one back. In doing so, he demonstrated every quality that defines great leadership by displaying clarity under pressure, making swift decisions, reflecting emotional intelligence, and a deep sense of commitment to serve. This is where leadership transforms the ordinary into extraordinary. Perhaps compassion is the most significant leadership quality reflected in this case. Compassion is not just about caring, it is about going above and beyond to help someone who is in distress. Leadership with compassion does not change outcomes, it changes lives. This story exemplifies that leadership qualities like humility, transparency, trust, credibility, compassion, and emotional intelligence are not just theoretical concepts, they are real and tangible forces that change lives. And when a leader combines these qualities, they don't just manage, they inspire, they protect, and they transform. In this case, Dr. Kashif's actions saved a life and became a source of inspiration for all involved. Recognizing the extraordinary nature of Dr. Kashif's actions, I visited the doctor at Access Clinic to express our gratitude as his quick thinking and professional expertise saved Karan's life, and such a dedication deserves personal recognition. In this picture, you will note that Dr. Kashif is being facilitated for his life-saving action, and we are always indebted and grateful to him. Karan Singh Lama's 3 decades of dedicated service at DFMC made this recognition even more meaningful, while Dr. Kashif's exemplary care represents the high standards of medical excellence that Access Clinic maintains. Thank you very much for watching this video and hope you found Dr. Kashif's role very inspiring. You may now look forward to my next video on yet another real life case. Till then, take care and thank you.